All right, it's time now for our DIY security tip of the week. And every week we put one of these together for you. And I thought with so many folks now going on to Verbos and Airbnbs and other rental properties that, we always start seeing the news about hidden spy cameras. I mean, what's going on? So I thought it'd be interesting for us to actually point some out to you so you can know what they look like. I mean, let me tell you, for example, there are the electrical outlet spy cameras. They look like a real electrical outlet. I mean, they can be placed anywhere. There are a lot of holes where a tiny camera can be inserted rather. And what makes them so ingenious that some models can actually operate as outlets if you're willing to spend a little bit more. And they do work. And if the outlets work, you might not think to yourself, well, I think there's a hidden spy camera there. There could be a spy cam and a smoke detector. These are also very popular. We're all used to seeing smoke detectors on the ceiling. But in a good smoke detector spy camera, what it does, it uses a wide angle lens. This, combined with an elevated placement, actually gives full room surveillance and maximum privacy invasion. What's up next? Your alarm clock might be watching you. They look just like an alarm clock. They work like a real alarm clock. They've got knobs and sensors and labels, but they also might have pinholes for spy cams. Some models can even shoot in low light conditions and then loop the recordings on a large capacity micro SD card. And that means that the clock radio spy cam can record all day and it can record all night. We talked about wall outlets. What about cell phone chargers? Yeah, that's a place for a hidden spy cam too. And the USB is fully functional. The camera in this device is high res and also has a motion detector. And as soon as it detects motion, obviously it starts recording. And then you can also have other things that are spy cams. Like, would you believe a fake can of Comet or a fake can of SpaghettiOs? I mean, what if somebody just has that inside of a fire extinguisher? There are fake cans of WD-40 as well. So we have more information about this as well as examples so you can see what they look like over at Komando.com. And check it out, look no further than the official homepage of the Kim Komando Show. That's, of course, Komando.com. And once you're there, hit that show page button right on the homepage. Hey, thanks for watching. Now, a few things. Don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more digital know-how, check out all these other great links.